Yeah, dude, me too. I've been short. I shorted gold also. Watch, this is where we get fucking stopped out. What up, Cash? Not looking good, Keith. But yeah, I've actually been short since right up here. This was the first time I shorted. I gold just dumped. It probably helped that I was in 5 contracts, 5 minis of gold probably helped me out a little bit. $8.12. Would you get short? You got short up over here. Yo, what up, Sean? Yeah, I don't know. I definitely took profits on this dump and then got back in. The problem is they fucking screw your drawdown. So weird. Yo, what up, 007? I have big balls. Yeah, I mean, I crushed it even after, crushed it more. We've had a pretty good day. That I will say. Today has been only if Tradeovate didn't mess me up in the morning and actually did what it's supposed to do, we would be up in a ton. Yo, bless you too, man. What do I want to do now? By the way, man, when you find something and it's working, you just keep it rolling. It was funny. I was going to screenshot this gold. I was going to screenshot this gold short I was in. I don't really know. And I almost messed up.
Order filled.
I'm kind of liking gold also, by the way. I have made quite a bit of money on gold. Is it snowing again? Dude, I was in an eval and just made over $2,000 in gold. I was down to like my last trade and I made it all back plus interest. Freaking crazy. When does Trump speak? Yo, when does he not speak? Dude, that guy is fucking speaking constantly. Have I bought Danny Trades evals? Yo, Danny Trades is locked in my basement. He just gives me the evals. Trump speaks right now. Right now, he should be speaking. And yeah.
Order filled.
I actually still like the short. Hello, Joyce. I want to see it roll. The problem is Trump speaking. I don't know what he's saying. I have no idea what Trump's talking about. So it's super dangerous right now. Hey, Marie. You playing platinum today? What are you playing? I was just in on gold. It says tentatively, so you never know. You never know with him. That's why, like, if you're in a funded account, like I'm in it, but I'm about to get stopped out. I literally caught just about the top of this. It was so good. You got wrecked? I can't play ES. I just can't. I don't know why. ES just doesn't do it for me. Dude, tell me you just top ticked me. Dude, didn't blow any accounts or anything. Well, that's good. That's good. Oh, what, Marie? Because he hit like, he said liked. I don't think he was talking to you. Oh man, let's get freaking jiggy over here. They're gonna bring this bad boy back up now. Yeah, I mean, just stick to the trade plan. If the trade goes south, you're gonna lose. Even, if everything's telling you to go one way and you go and it loses, over time you're gonna win. Dude, gold is just unloading here.
Order filled.
it just going to keep following the 9 down? See what happens. I made a ton of these gains on gold. Just seems like I like it. I'm not going away from the NQ. It's just another thing to play. Oh, what up, design? I'm waiting for Trump's coming on any moment to probably absolutely wreck the markets. He's probably going to talk about how bad CPI was. I trade gold on the higher time frames. Look at this. I got stopped out. I trade gold on the higher time frames, and I back tested it, and then I started playing with it like last night. I was trading around. I've only lost one trade, and that trade ended up, I got top ticked, and I always end up right on it. And the only reason I got out was because everybody in the room was like, I'm long gold, I'm long gold. And it was going against me, and I was like, oh, whatever, I'll lower my stop. And I got sold out, and then it went for me. But I blame the room on that one. Oh, baby. We get under 85, probably reject it. Probably, maybe. This looks like a nice little flag here on the 15. Look at this thing, flagged right into the 200 on the 15. Pushing. Man, that's crazy. Anybody know if Trump's on yet? I'm going to look. Trump speaking. Anybody know what he's speaking about? Oh, shit. Here it is. Trump is going to sign executive orders in the Oval Office. Oh, man. Dude, that's about to get nutty. It's at 3. It says 3:15. I'm not seeing anyone else's messages. You know what? I think YouTube is having a problem. Watch. I couldn't see my own messages before. Somebody type in the chat and see. I couldn't see my messages before either. What up, Visible? You're seeing everything. I don't see my own messages. Yeah, I wasn't seeing my messages at all. That's why I put the. That's why I typed it twice in the chat. The first one didn't get shown. Yeah. Yo, you see dead people? I didn't see my own messages. That was what was weird before. I messaged on oh man. What do we got? What do we got? Gold. Gold's not really doing much. Oh, bad. Anybody in anything right now, or are you just waiting? It's so funny. Fire up the stream that I feel like we just kind of, the moves kind of come to a halt. So just go all in right now. Yeah, I'm waiting too. I can't believe we're up, man. This CPI was so freaking hot. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Dude, I think we're going to go back down. I'm not playing it. I'm just... The 15 looks good. Oh, we did end up flipping it. Interesting. I like this. I'm not going to draw it, but look, on the 15, you're basically breaking this trend on the 15. It's one big flag, and you're breaking it to the upside. We flipped this fair value gap to the upside, and for those reasons, I think we can at least get to like 812 here. That would kind of I'm going to take that because it's $105, but and we're hitting 800, but that was obviously a good trade real quick. But you know, 800 resistance, I'll just take a back seat real quick and just watch. You know, people talking about cloud-based. I think we're going to pump more than dump. And Bishop, yo, what up? Welcome to the stream, man. Dude, that's a long name. We're sticking with RJ here. What up, Alex? Yo, RJ, first timer, I would assume. We played some CPI, which caused me to blow some accounts, but other than that, we were rocking and rolling here. I'm deciding on fucking, I can't buy here. I was just in, sold for a gain. I can't buy. That's short before. ES is lagging. I'm curious why, if one of them like reported or something today. Oh, man. Got my coffee, dude. What's gold at? What's gold doing? Gold is, looks like it's kind of bear flagging, kind of. Let's look at gold for a minute. Gold is sitting right there, kind of bear flagging.
Order filled.
Looks like it's breaking down. See what happens. These are tight stops. I'm not letting these move. The other ones I get triggered on the hourly, and I let move around. I probably have like a $500 stop loss with the normal ones that I let go, but I'm not letting these move around. NQ is, yeah. Yo, what up, Pine? Markets don't go sideways because I need cash. No! Dude, it's rough out there, man. I mean, we definitely slung it around a little bit earlier, but what's up, Yan? What up, what up? Oh, stretch my back out. Dude, why is it always a fucking problem when I'm trying to do something? Just trying to do something real quick. What do we got? I mean, we're just going for it, I guess. I cannot believe that we've made back this fucking entire move when CPI was as hot as it was. I mean, that shit was hot. Tomorrow we got PPI at 8:30, everybody. I would assume that that's the target. I mean, I was talking about that on the stream earlier. What I would love to see actually is this. What tab do I got it on? Why can't I find it? Oh, here it is. So up at the data high, you also have the previous day high, not too far above it. I would love to sweep previous day high, touch the pivot point, and then when we trade back below the previous day high, take it short and take it down. That was my initial move when we were, I guess it was probably, maybe it was here or here. I was talking about as we were getting closer, would be to sweep the previous day high and then come down. You know, other than that, yeah, this would be. Cove, just qualled for my first payout. Yo, you just got your first payout, Peter? That's awesome, dude. What firm did you do it with? Yo, smash the confetti for Peter. I got you. I got you. I'll smash. Um, what firm did you do it with? If I had to guess, my funded futures. But let's see what you say. Dude, you did your first payout ever with Bullnox? What'd you get up to? 53,600? Dude, that's a harder one to get a payout on. I think you're the first person I know that their first payout is from that firm. Never would have guessed that. Yeah, I mean, if you were trading a 50K account, you had to get to 53,600, I would assume, which is definitely a ways for somebody that's never gotten a payout before. That's awesome, man. What's up, Dora? I've gotten one on their old rules. I'm slowly moving up on their new rules. Dude, that's crazy. They pay too. They're legit, very legit. I'm just curious, do you only trade Bullnox? You know what also? Bullnox doesn't have, well, now they have Project X. Previously, they only had Rhythmic accounts. So most new people would never trade Bullnox because they don't have Tradeovate. That's awesome, man. Oh yeah. Well, hacks, I almost feel, I know this is like a conspiracy, but I almost feel like they propped the market up today so the big boys can start getting out or buying puts, and then they're going to drop it on PPI tomorrow because today's data was hot. They brought it back up to probably start selling to retail or covering themselves with options. And then they're going to drop it tomorrow on PPI after they've had a day to kind of position themselves. Could be a conspiracy. But if it drops tomorrow hard, that's my theory. And I'm sticking to it. Dude, I mean, they're pumping it. I just feel like CPI was so hot. No way they're going to take my order right here. I'm trying to freaking sell something, and I don't think they're going to take my order. Why is everything so fucking hard to do sometimes? Yeah, well, I think they're propping it up. I 1,000% think they're propping it up so they can freaking position themselves. I think they're positioning themselves, and then they're gonna just, they're just gonna unload it tomorrow. I think the unloading is coming tomorrow. That's my honest opinion. Oh man, I think the CPI caught them off. I mean, it was like a major miss on CPI. I feel like it caught the market way off guard. And I think that's just what's gonna look at this. We're just riding this freaking trend. I just sold covered calls is what I was doing. I have grab shares. I have 3,400 grab shares, and I sold 34 contracts against grab shares that expire to collect money for next week. That's what I was doing on my other screen. Oh.
Order filled.
I just covered my gold short. I missed it 2 minutes ago. It dropped. Fuck, man. I'm just sitting and waiting. So what's interesting is gold has been on a trend line since January 27th. And we broke that trend line for the first time today to the downside. So gold has broke the trend line for the first time. I'm wondering if it reclaimed it earlier and it's given it back up. I wonder if this is the turning point in gold for the next couple days at least. Look at this shit. Jesus. Pump and dump, pumping. It's pumping. Like this makes me want to grab it around the 9 and just hold it. And every time I do, I just freaking lose on it. Like if I try to ride this trend, I'm going to lose, almost guaranteed. Watch. I will just show you. Grab it. I'm going to grab it right around the 9, right? Right around the 9. Close enough, right? Move my stop up. Whoa, is this a gain right in the trend? I got to trade these accounts, by the way. So just so you're aware, I got to get orders in here anyways. Because if you don't trade your accounts every so often, you're going to if you don't use it, you lose it. That's the word. If you don't use it, you lose it. I'm just looking to see if Trump is not talking right now. The House Democrats are talking about the holy shit. Wow. Did Trump just come on stage? Of course, I opened this stream up to watch the press.
Walkers has been gaining some.
And it literally says jail Fauci. Bro, I was in 30 seconds ago. London high is at 40. Yo, what up, Joshua? Yo, where do I get some of that U.S. aid money? Where can I get some U.S. aid money? Anybody know? Bro, that thing just shot up. It's out of nowhere. I mean, it was going up nice and steady. Trump's not coming on until 3:15, I think. Do I dare take this again at the 9? Probably, right? Maybe. Maybe yes. Maybe no. Do I got my finger on the button? I do. Man, we've just been riding it. It's going to be a tight-ass stop, though. Stops definitely got hit. Stops got hit, without a doubt. I would love to see this back at like 806. I'm just keeping a tight stop. I just want to see a quick little bounce. I got to get a trade in this account, though. I haven't traded in this account, so I need a trade in it just so I don't lose it. So that's all I'm really doing right now. Is just getting a trade in. Obviously, I want a green trade, but either way, I got to trade it. Tens? I just think I would like to see it come back to 34. I don't know if it will, though. I mean, it's just riding this 9. It's been just kind of riding it the whole time. Come on. I should have just taken the fucking $10. I just want to get out with a trade. I just want to trade. Give me a green one, please. Give me a green trade, baby. Oh, it looked good. Come on, pop a locket. Pop it over 27. There we go. So I just needed a green trade. Lock it. $55 for 2 minutes. I'm outie. Get a free long, baby. Now I'm back in. Let's see what we get. Oh, geez. I mean, it looks good. You're getting turned up here. You're following the 9. Like, it doesn't look bad. Definitely doesn't look bad. Dude, is this thing just going to go for it? I feel like it's just going to go for it. Come on. Let's go, big dog. Push this thing. I think it's going to be a choppy market, grind up until Trump comes on and things are going to get wild. I'm only scalping for small ass gains. For sags, small ass gains. I should have taken that, actually. As long as it continues to hold the 9, There we go. 55 in each account. I would watch out. I would watch out as we get closer to 315. I mean, as long as we continue to stay above the 9, there's no reason to short. Like people, someone's looking to short this thing, and you're going to get destroyed. Play it for what it is. You could scalp the longs off the 9 and just keep scalping and working itself up. And that's what I would continue doing. There's no reason. Somebody here is definitely looking to short this thing. Now, when Trump comes on, anything could happen. You know, we know how that goes. We all know how that goes. $17,000. What's 17,000? Oh, how much money I made last month? Yeah, I did a whole video about it. I made a whole video about it on what do you call it? I don't know. Yeah, I made. That's not including my large account, but yeah. Yep, 17,224. That's with an apex decline payout of $1,400 and something dollars. So I would have made more. I made a whole video about it. It's on the stream, not the stream. It's on the channel. Also, I want to say I missed 3 trading days because I was away. I went to Mexico. But yeah. Yep. Yeah, I mean, listen, it was, I'll be honest with you, it was an okay month. You know, I did okay with all my trading in general. It could have been better. It could always be better. You got a little double top action over here, and now we're closing below. Yo, Topstep controls their charts, and it was proven today during the CPI print. Why? What happened? What up, Robert? Wait. What happened during the CPI print? Yo, Tradeovate did not fill my order on the CPI print, and that's how I lost these 4 accounts. It went past my order on the upside and didn't fill me, and then it went back down. No one could place a trade. That's crazy. It happened to you? What? Wait. You couldn't place a trade, or they didn't fill your order on CPI print? Well, they knew a big move was coming. It was CPI. All I know is they did not fill me, and I blew 4 accounts because they didn't fill my order. And I did it live. I was on Discord live, so other people saw it happen. It wasn't like it was just me. It was like whoever was around watching also. And they all saw it go up, not fill me, and then come down. Absolutely crazy. Yeah, Coach Fred. I mean, look, that's why these are like down 7,000. These actually made money, but they should have made money on the upside. And then what happens is it would have made money on the downside too, but it didn't fucking work. It didn't work because they didn't fill my orders. And they're not going to do anything about it. It's ridiculous. It's so ridiculous what happened. But that's the only reason I blew those accounts. So ridiculous. I mean, listen, it's all a freaking scam, I guess. I don't know. I wasn't trading Topstep. I was trading Apex. But Apex did not fill my orders. And it's pretty crazy that they did not fill my orders. I was going to take the fucking $40, but I didn't. Push it. You'll get liquidated on live on margin. What? Why? Because they raised their margin requirements? Why would I get liquidated? What happens if you have a live account, it shows negative balance after something like CPI? Do you owe that money? Oh, geez. I'm just curious. Are you asking for an actual friend or are you asking for a friend? Yeah, margins are usually raised. Yo, when they come after you, just give them your phone number with the 1 digit wrong. It works every time. Just give them the 1 digit off. Yo, give them the 1 digit off. They won't find you. I did minus 275K at Refco. I don't even know what Refco is. When was that? I've never gone negative on an account personally. How do you go negative? Don't they just automatically liquidate you? Don't they automatically just liquidate you? How do you go negative? Isn't it set to just sell you at 0? Only Danny Trades knows how to go negative. Dude, it's the numbers. As long as the numbers are the numbers, and I don't need to look at the chart because I just do the numbers, and I just make money at the numbers. I thought they just liquidate you. I didn't know that yeah, they charge a liquidation fee, but like, you're not going to get hit like minus 30 grand. You should just get liquidated. All seriousness, it's almost worth throwing like $500 in an account if they do liquidate you and just pick a side and go long or short. They either liquidate you or and they bottom tick you on closing. Oh, geez. Dude, I'm sure some real scammy shit goes on. Believe me. I'm sure some real scammy stuff goes on at those brokers. Yeah, I can see that, but it can't. I mean, how much could it be though? Like, what are we talking here? Are we talking a couple $100, or are we talking like thousands? Is this the top? Tell me this is the top. I'm looking at the 5-minute chart on the side. Yeah, that's crazy. I've never been liquidated. What happened? I fucking got stopped out and now it's bouncing. Dude, look at this hammer candle today. Oh, baby. Longs are expensive now. Let's see if they flash this shit down. Longs are never free. That was a nice flag right there into the 200 and then bounced it. It just kind of seems like Trump comes on in 5 minutes, so buckle up. Just letting everybody know. Trump comes on in like 5 minutes. And he's going to be signing a bunch of shit. You guys, no idea what's going to happen. He comes on at 3:15. Do you think he comes in and just gives the old shooters to everybody? What's up, man? What's up? Yo, there's a military plane crash in San Diego. Oh, what up, body bag? What up? What up? I was liquidated on crypto trading, and the fee for letting that happen was 50% of the money I lost on the trade. Happened twice. Jeez. Dude, that's crazy. Who are you trading with? Like Coinbase or like Qcoin? Time to lock the account? Probably. Binance futures, dude. I remember Binance. Are we gonna run right off this 34? I mean, risk reward is kind of there. You could probably see high a day. Your stop would technically be 17, which is only 5 points. Risk reward's like 5 points versus you could probably get 15. So it's kind of like 3-to-1. 3-to-1 risk reward here. Oh, I got in right before the fucking thing. Go. Go. Go, shorty. It's your birthday. I'm waiting for fucking Trump to come in. Come on. Almost like a trading crypto scam. Was it scammer and schemer? I'm worried that Trump comes on and does some crazy shit. So we're just kind of. Oh, dude. People are crazy. It says Trump's coming on in 3 minutes. Scammers and schemers and scumbags. I got gold up on this. What do we think? We think gold rips? Gold should be higher based on CPI number, right? I thought I thought gold would be higher. How can the market trust anything Trump says? I don't, dude. There's a lot of stuff that's like credit card debt is like at an all-time high. Like we got some serious problems here in the economy. I don't know what's going to happen. If it wasn't for AI, this stock market would be really bad. This whole thing is clinging on AI. Gold taxed by high rates. Dude, yo, I just threw on some chicken in the slow cooker. I got a barbecue chicken tonight, pulled chicken. I got pulled chicken, coleslaw. I got onions in that bitch. Yeah, gold ran early on, body. Pumped. I mean, that's a massive run for gold. Yeah, I got that with some cold slaw. Dude, I might do some barbecued pulled chicken in a freaking quesadilla. Woo! Ric Flair style. Woo! Gold is just biding its time until the next spike past 3,000. Yeah. Bro, can they just bring Trump on and sign some shit so we can get on with this trade? Yeah, buddy. It's at an all-time high, man. It's super high. Not only is it super high, but nobody can afford a house. It's crazy. There's going to be a solid correction at some point. I don't know when. Oh, man. I do want to short this thing. Let me see what it looks like on the bigger time frames. Ooh, I'm not going to touch it. I'm waiting for some triggers to happen, and it's not happening. I will say, though, if you shorted, I wonder if it rolls. We basically made back the whole distance. There's definitely more reward than risk here, because if Trump comes on and says some wild shit, you could probably get a massive gain to the downside versus you just kind of get stopped out for minimal loss. Yo, BTC, that is like air. See, my loss would be like right here. So risk reward is just there. I need this fucking guy to get on TV and start talking wild shit. Dude, they're in a commercial break. Bring his ass on the stage. Bring him on the stage. Do you think we're going to pump out of this thing? Listen, I hope we pump out of this thing. I really do hope we pump out. I thought Trump was coming on. They went to a commercial break. That's really what happened. It was 3:15-ish. I think it was 3:16. And they switched screens. I thought they were going to Trump. And well, if he creates havoc, we could see a down candle. And that's kind of what I was banking on, was some type of overreaction by the algos. But I'm going to get stopped out, I think. I think it's just going to push through. So whatever. I'm just waiting for him to. I have it on the other screen. I'm watching, and I got fooled in thinking he was coming on. There we go. Oh, you know what's happening? They're talking about stopping the war in Ukraine. They're pressing to have a meeting. I just saw that. I guess they want to stop the war over there. Yeah, Alfred. Yeah. Dude, CPI was so crazy. Yo, people in the chat on these fucking political shows are straight savages. Like they'll write anything in these fucking chats. Obviously, there's probably nothing on their screen name to know who they are, but people talking wild shit because they can, because they're behind the keyboard. Who has the inside info content? Ah, dude. I wish, man. I would just like wink and be like, I think CPI is going down. I was reading the chat and there was one time, buy GME to the moon. Dude, I should just type that in. Can I see a doctor faster due to my deportations? Bro. I saw a video and some guy was like getting deported with $100,000 of credit card debt, loan on my car, he took out all this money and he was just smiling. I was like, that's crazy. Yo, what up, Prelim? Dude, these guys are fucking crazy. This dude definitely visited Epstein Island. Bro. They are just fucking... They are all over this girl. Dude, who's waiting for GME to go? No margin call. Yo, that's true, Elvin. No margin call on deportation. Fucking just comes out, I'm going to come, and then leaves. What up, Jason? Do I trade full time? Like my only source of income is trading, or do I trade pretty much all day? I traded full time as my only source of income for about 3 years. Now I trade all day, but it's not my only source of income. I saved up money from trading and ended up opening up a business. That's what I did. And the business has nothing to do with trading at all. Yo, I tell everybody, man, you make money trading and move that money to things that can give you money if your trading goes good or bad. And that could be dividends. You know, it could be stock dividends. It could be writing options for cash flow every month, or it could be into a business. But you take money from trading and then put it in something else that generates capital. That's what you want to do. You know, don't let somebody tell you that you put all your money into like futures trading and you never diversify because you always want that cash flow coming in. Dude, Trump's about to speak. I'm just grabbing. This is a flyer. This is a Trump speaks and we go to the moon flyer. But yeah. Also, you got a lot of extra time, man. Like, you know, if I wasn't streaming, I'd probably be done trading by noon anyways. Most of my, you know, butt cheeks clenched. Yeah. But welcome to the stream, Jason. Nice having new people. It's a open forum. Ask whatever you want. But yeah, that's a good question, man. Dude, just get... Yo, what up, CT? Oh, I was thinking about taking gold right off the 200 on the 5 also. He was supposed to be talking 9 minutes ago. Oh man. Yo, what up, Kron? No, he's not out yet. I'm waiting for him to be out. I think we're just chopping here. He's got to be on soon. I don't fucking understand what's going on. Dude, I got smashed. Yo, you know why I got smashed, CT? Because Tradeovate didn't sell my fucking order out. That's why I got smashed. They didn't sell my order out. Yo, hold on. My kids are home. Hold on one second. Gotta open the door. I'm back. Yo, Dr. Xski, what are your go-to stocks that you like? Hold on, the chat just shifted. Yo, what up, Luna man? Yo, my kids are home. Hold on. Somebody asked me, what are your go-to stocks that you like to trade? I like writing options on SoFi, CCJ. Dude, I'll just show you my portfolio, like my like trading portfolio, what I'm in. This is what I'm in right now. Only a couple, bud. This is what I'm in right now. Shut the door, dude. Oh. Oh, thank you for giving me some, bud. Got some Reese's M&Ms. So I write a lot of options to collect. I called this short the other day. I've made thousands on it already. Woo! Lucky I sold out. Lucky I sold out. Yo, Trump's still not on. Just so you know, soon. Dude, that was crazy. Dude, watch this just drop. I trade options. I've been using SPY and Tesla mainly. I've had good profits these last few days with them. Yeah, Tesla had a nice bounce today. I think Tesla is a great, if you trade options, Tesla obviously moves around enough for you every day. Obviously, same with SPY. You know, those are big. I'm big on writing puts. I'm big on writing weekly puts to collect premium. And then I go further out and buy like 6 months out options and ride that. That's that's typically how I play. I don't buy same week options. The theta just gets at you. You know, for the most part, It definitely just gets at you. Watchmaker Bob in the house. Dude. Can you trade stocks in NinjaTrader? Do you ever sell calls or puts? Yeah, I sell puts all the time. I sell cash covered puts a lot. Do you swing trade options? Dr. Ski. Yes, I do. I definitely swing trade. I am swing trading STZ put vertical out till September. I was swinging puts. I covered them for a gain. STZ is dumping. I am swinging a bunch of stuff that I showed you. Yeah. Some PayPal, some Pfizer, some Comcast. But when you, I don't know if NinjaTrader does stocks, to be honest with you. I think it's a futures brokerage. What's the profits like on a swing trade that far out? I am up percent-wise. I am up 20% in 3 days on STZ. I also had puts that I sold. I bought about 10 grand worth of options on STZ to the downside. On the puts, I made I think I made about 20% on them in 2 days, and now this I'm up about 20% in 3 days. But yeah, you know, I'm when I get in, I you know, I'm looking to take this off if I can make another 1,000 or 1,500 off of it. But I'm just gonna hold it. I don't think STZ is doing very well. I think the tariffs are gonna really hurt them, and I'm just holding it. They're down $4 today, and if you look, just to give a quick, I mean, I'm in. I called this out this day. It had the bounce, didn't go anywhere, and then once we broke under, and we're just dumping. I mean, this thing's probably going to go down to probably see 150 at least. Yeah, like 150 probably, if not further. I wouldn't buy it now, but yeah, Thinkorswim is great. I use E-Trade. I use E-Trade. But I usually, whatever I do, I usually call out on the live stream here. I don't make a lot of moves during the day. Like, I'm not day trading options to make, you know, I'm not buying and then selling 5 minutes later in options. I'm buying and we're holding this for a little bit. So, you know, it's a little bit different than people who are day trading them. Yo, what up, Adam? I'm waiting for freaking Trump to come on and start talking wild. That's why I think we're just chopping here. They're just waiting for him to come on TV and do his thing. I don't know when he's coming on, but fucking comments are hysterical though. Yo, Adam, how you doing today? You up? I'm day trading, but I'm gonna hold a few. Yeah, I mean, I find day trading is great, but if you are looking for, if you're trading a big account, you're probably not going to be day trading options because the swings could be like I bought 10 grand of STZ options. Like if I did that on a weekly, I can lose 10 grand in a week. Like I'm not looking to lose 10 grand in a week. You know, I'd rather make 20% on that money or 40% over time than go for some crazy home run in a week. Yo, what up, Waldo? Back testing some new strategies this week. It's grinding, but we're getting there. Yo, always back test, man. Back testing leads to great finds. I back tested on gold recently, and it's worked. It's definitely worked. Crazy performance you've been having recently, bro. What's the consistency? That's what consistent. Yeah, being consistent and not being consistent and not going on tilt. Dude, I'll show you my whole portfolio. Hold on, I'm just setting it up so you could like see it a little bit better. I'll show you everything I'm in. Dude, I am as open as you're going to get it. I'm not here to hide anything, dude. It's we in the open. So I got lemonade. I sold 2 puts, covered calls, covered calls, covered calls, call. That's January 27. PayPal, puts, calls. And you can just pause the video if you want to just see what it is. And that's it. I like collecting premium. So I'll collect all this that has X's or all me collecting premium at the end of this week. All these will expire. And when they expire, I get paid. The hardest shit is honestly walking away after a red day. Yeah. I'm with you. I find, so I don't mess up more accounts. If I'm red, like, so I'm red. So I lost this one and these based on CPI because TraderVate fucked up. But I'm red a little bit on 2 of these accounts. I've been copy trading. And instead of hammering green accounts to try to go further, I just stick with the red ones to not destroy any other accounts. But, you know, I'm also green. You know, this is obviously very green. My funded futures, this is a funded account. That's green. That's green. So, like, I've had success today. It's just a couple of these accounts I need to lift back up. What up, David? Lot of red. This is CPI. I played CPI. And the TradeOvate did not sell my order out. That's what I mean. It wasn't like I actually traded that. This is all CPI, and this account is CPI. Other than that, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 accounts that are red, and this is all green. This is all green. This is green. That's green. I'm having a pretty good day. I also have another funded account on my other monitor that's green. I think it's only green like a couple $100. What are we green? No, I'm actually down $20. Sorry, I thought I was green. $20 down. Yeah, copy traders. Oh, you know what else? Here's a Bullnox funded account. I'm up 515 in today. And here's my other Bullnox funded account. I'm up 145 in today. So I'm doing, we're making money. We definitely making money here. Boom, 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 boom. I've been waiting for Trump to come on. Yo, what up, Inter? I don't know if this guy's going to come on until after the market's closed now. Butcher USA. What up? I wish there was one screen I could just fucking show all the accounts in one spot. You know? Like just all the accounts on all these different platforms, just all in one spot. I'm debating between my funded futures starter and take profit trader. I'll be honest with you. I would go my funded futures starter right now. The reason I would go my funded futures starter is it's going to cost you $100. There's no activation fee. And that's the way I would probably go. Take Profit Trader currently has an activation fee, even though it's $80 for the account. So I'm just going to see if I can scalp some quick money. I'm just trying to get like $20, not $20, like $50, $70. I got a tight stop. I have a tight ass stop right now. I just feel like if we go below this wick, we're probably going to really fucking dump. Come on, just fucking give me it. Also, my funded futures is easy to get a. Well, first of all, have you ever had a my funded futures account? Yeah, this is going to just dump out. Dude, I would be out. If you were long, I would have got stopped out. Super tight. Super tight. If you've never had a My Funded Futures account, you could probably save even more money right now. They're probably running like a 40% off. I trade with 5 to 10K, but I'm looking for more consistent ways to make money. I just feel like day trading can be very risky, even with research. Yeah. Inter, I'm not mad at you. Why would I be mad at you? Not mad at you at all, man. Why would I be mad at you, dude? We're all just hanging out, having fun. Michael, CPI screwed me this morning too with Tradeovate. Wouldn't close out while I was green and put me out. Yo, that's what happened to me, Michael. It blew 4 of my accounts because they wouldn't close me out. And they're not going to do anything about it. They're just literally just going to say, sorry, we don't own Tradeovate. That's it. Yeah, man. I'm not mad. Yo, let's make a deal. What do you want to do, Butcher? Oh, are you really a butcher, or is that like The guy from what do you call it? The Boys. Yo, I don't know how you lost that much money because you've been up a lot. Let's hop in a trade. I'll hop in with you right now, YOLO style. A futures trade or an options trade? Here, you want a YOLO? I'm short. I'm short, and we'll cover all the way down here. Oh, an options trade? Dude, I don't know what I'm going to buy in options right now. You want me to give you a PA account? I don't really think that's how it works. I'm not sure, but I don't think it works like I can't just give you a PA account. But anyways, yeah, no, man, I trade it all. I'm just curious, Dr. Ski, what do you use to find your options plays by any chance? Are you using an options like a screener? Are you using an options screener for mass, like big options flow? Just give you a PA, bro. If you give me 2 PAs, I'll give you 1 right back. How about that? You give me 2, I give you 1 right back. And I'll try my best to bring it to a payout. First of all, I'm not even allowed to transfer you a PA account, just so you are aware. I can't just transfer you a PA account. They don't allow it. Don't butcher it. Oh, Fred. Jeez. Just sent me a Zelle, but that's not a PA account. And being honest with you, being that you don't have a PA account, I would assume that you would blow this one too if I sent you money. No, I have no desire to get you a funded account. If you want to learn how to trade, that's what we trade in here. We have fun. I'm not passing accounts for you. Yo, market on close in 30 seconds. Yo, have you ever seen that movie? He's got like, I got some cheeseburgers, man. Yo, what movie? Oh, Don't Be a Menace to South Central while drinking your juice in the hood. It was with Marlon Wayans, the Wayne brothers. I got some cheeseburgers, man. Yeah, Sean knows. Just call me Dre. And nah, I don't use anything. So you should look into, so there's a certain edges in options that people use. Honestly, the least risky way is to write cash covered puts. You should look into the wheel strategy. That's honestly the least risky way to trade options is the wheel. Yo, Alfred, classic movie. I'm currently trading with Topstep. Got 2 XFAs and working on 3 combines. Took a payout on both accounts for $4K. Now I'm eligible again for another account. Trying to quit my day job. Michael, don't quit your day job unless you have like a year and a half to 2 years worth of money on the side. Just being honest with you. Show me something. I think you are a fake trader. What do you want to see, man? Go look at the channel and the videos that I've taken payouts. Literally, like this month, last month, I literally did a video on payouts. I did. Go look at the fucking video, bro. Yo, I'm just telling you, man. I'm trying to be nice. I'm trying to be super nice. Just go look at the channel, man. Just go look at the channel. I'm being nice. You know, I'm trying not to go down the road that I really want to go down. But go look, man. It's there. I'm trying to make money. We got 8 minutes left. We're kind of bear flagging here. I would dig it up in a little bit for you if you want. It is not recommended to trade the last 15 minutes of the market with a funded account, to be honest with you. I just don't understand how we're this high with the CPI number where it's at. I don't understand. I don't understand how the CPI can be so hot and we're basically even on the day. How does it happen? Somebody tell me how that happens. You can watch that or watch other videos. There's actual videos of me in the back end requesting payouts. I feel like they're propping it up so they can adjust. They can position themselves in the options market. That's the only thing I can think of. Because what's going on here? Look at this shit go. Somebody in this room just fucking held that too. I get so nervous. There's a lot of algos. Trump is talking geopolitics only for now. Yeah. I don't have him on, man. I'm looking at one of the senators. Dude, you had a mini stroke, man? That's crazy. You all right? That's why I took my money. Look at that fucking candle. That's why I took my money. Yeah, you wish you held until this candle would have just busted you. Would have busted me too. Putin says he wants the war to end and not go back to fighting. Yeah. I saw that headline. Yo, I appreciate it, man. If you have questions, just put it in the chat, dude. I'm pretty open about everything. It's pretty much all out there. I'm not I don't really hide anything here. It's all out there. That's kind of what it's about. Well, just so you know, I stream every day, 10:30 till noon, and then again 2 p.m. to 4:30. So we're around every day. Ray. Yeah, the last 5 minutes though, you're gonna get a lot of algo candles. I wouldn't. I probably wouldn't trade any funded accounts here. Oh, Rosales. Yo, I sniped it short. He didn't say where to get out, so I'm guessing he's underwater right now. Yo, it was a free short, I thought. What is the meaning of algo? It's an algorithm. So basically it's just like computers. At the end of the day, there's orders that people open or close close to the end of the day. It happens at 3:50. It starts at 3:50, and then there's other algo candles that happen, and it's just big orders being put in end of day. Yeah, it stands for algorithm. It's just a computer-driven massive candle, I guess, because a bunch of orders are being put in the system at once, and that's kind of what it is. For all intents and for purpose, it's just a big candle that's going to happen towards the end of the day. That's all it is, and it's going to go one way or the other. And sometimes, like this, it'll flash. Let me see what today's looks like. It's like this one. It flashed up or down, like, it just moves around a lot. Cole, can you just send me 1 million? Yeah, algorithm orders that execute at once. And then there's a number, they call it MOC, it's market on close, and it's the imbalance between buys or sells, and you can get that number. Not that the number means a whole lot in a one day, but if you watch day after day or day, if it's selling, it's kind of, maybe you should take your chips off the table if you're in stocks or options. The technical term is boner candle or flaccid candle. Jeez. Yeah, that's the mayhem that happens. Cove, what is the result of the indicator today? 3-bar. I don't think it triggered. Oh, actually, it triggered once today. That you would have taken it. You would have caught the bottom here at 11:30. I mean, I probably took that, to be honest with you, but I took it for a different reason. If you go back to 11:30, I actually talked about this. So right here, I took this because we made a higher low on the pullback, and then we broke over this previous high from the dip, and then we made our way over the 200, over the 34, over the 9, and that was a long signal for me. And you would have caught this, and that was a solid long. I would have just caught it based on candle recognition. Butcher said to go short around 785. Market's closed. Dude, today wasn't bad, man. Like, I know this is 4 of these accounts I lost because of CPI. But other than that, man, like, I had an awesome freaking day. Like, green, 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 green. And the majority of this is green. It's just these 3 and this were CPI. Other than that, I thought we had a good day. I'm also green where I can't even find it. I'm green here, 500. Dude, gold looks interesting right here. There was no trigger for gold. It literally is just riding on, it's sitting on the 200. So, but there's no buy signal. There's no sell signal on gold. I'm literally just taking a shot. Sean, for PPI tomorrow? Do you guys want me to? I'll do it if you want me to. You want me to stream tomorrow just for PPI and then jump off? Yeah, okay. Oh, jeez. Alfred. All right, yeah, I'll do it. I would watch what he talks about, Alfred, because if it's not good mixed with the CPI today, we might just go trend down all night. Like, I'm not saying to just go short blind, but if you're looking at, like, say, the 5-minute or the 15-minute and it's setting up for like a real good short, there might be some serious legs behind it. I'm just saying, you might be able to catch a really good short if he's talking tariffs. I do it on Discord. Here, I'll send you the link. It's free. There's no cost. I don't charge for anything. There's nothing I charge for. Everything is free here. I made people personalized videos to help them out, and it's all free. Even the longs are free. But that's the Discord if you want to go in. And I'll stream it live tomorrow at I'll jump on again at like 20 after 8. I think he's watching my payout videos. It's so crazy how it went from send me free accounts, and as soon as you say no, he's like, you're a fake trader. It's like, well, why would I send you a free account then? People are wild, man. Wild people. Dude, is this thing going to sit here? This thing's all beat up now. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash. No. Yo, have you guys seen, only because I thought it was hysterical. If you guys haven't seen it yet, take a look later on. Dude. Yo, JG Wentworth. Exactly. Exactly. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Yo. everybody loves a good jingle. Oh, man. I got a question. I just updated TradingView on my phone, and for some reason, I don't see any trading option. Anyone's have the same thing, or is it me? What earnings are now? Let me see. I didn't know we were having earnings now. Hold on. Earnings. Cisco and App Lovin'. Is that like McLovin, but it's App Lovin'? Actually, you have Cisco, App Lovin', The Trade Desk, Robinhood. There's some earnings happening right now. I don't know how much like Robinhood is going to move the market. By the way, holla at your boy today. Boing. Yo, I'm just a fake trader. Just a fake trader over here. Dude, I didn't realize that they were having all these. That's a lot of earnings. Damn, Hood is almost $60. Yo, I appreciate you, and I have no idea if he bounced back. I didn't realize Robinhood. Damn, NQ is just popping off. I didn't realize. Dude, I thought Robinhood. I botched that. I botched Robinhood up. I botched it up. But I'm okay saying that. Well, your fake trading sure has helped me a lot, so I appreciate it. I've been watching you for a while now. I just became profitable, so I appreciate. Hey, that is, dude, that's awesome, man. And that's what this channel is really. I'm sorry I didn't get a chance to grab that. But that's what this channel is about, man. It's about helping other people become profitable. And yeah, I mean, and ask questions and all that good stuff. I always say, if you could follow the rules that, you know, the trades I've made videos about and not do any of the other BS I kind of do, you'd be highly profitable. You just keep it really simple.
The markets are closed.
You know, just keep it really simple. You don't have to make a lot of trades a day. Yo, I'm about to send them a receipt for evals that I blew going short. Bob, just letting you know, trading on TradingView, there's definitely slippage and lag if you're scalping. If you're not scalping and you're going to hold for like, you know, 50 points or something like that, then it's no big deal. I'm just letting you know that there is definitely slippage when you trade on TradingView. Even when you trade on the app, on the desktop app. Dude, that's why I'll be honest with you. Like, I'll joke around and like, hey, you want to go in something? I'll go in something. But like, I'm not. I don't follow the crowd really. I know some of you guys know what you're doing, and I'll look at it because you see it. But like, I'm not just going to take somebody that just jumped in the room and follow them. You've nominated me on the Tradeify forum. What? Yo, I appreciate it. What's the form? Dude, what do you, is it on Twitter? What are we talking about here? Yeah. Dude, I am not. There it is. Yo, Brett knows who I am. I joined his football pool and he mistakenly didn't give me 2 boxes, so he had to send me money back. I bought 2 boxes for his football pool and he only gave me 1, so I had to message him. And then he had to send me $250 back. So he definitely knows who I am. Yo, I should have Brett here. Instead of the duck, I just have Brett's head just right here. And we just trade all day. When is Tradeify going to give you free coupon codes? I have no idea. I have no idea. Maybe I got to reach out and ask for free coupon codes. Maybe that's how I would go about it. I don't know. I give you guys free accounts out of my own pocket. I don't give you coupon codes because I got them free from a prop firm. I actually give you, we changed it up a little bit though. You want me to ask him? Like, yo, hit me up with 5 codes. I doubt he's going to give me a straight to funded code. He'll probably give me, what is it? Advanced? Is that the smallest one? Advanced? I'll probably get some advanced accounts. I will say I missed the opportunity when they were doing $35 giveaways. Not giveaway, $35 accounts. I wish I did a bunch of 150 accounts for $35. That would have been a nice stack of 150 accounts to get payouts on. I kind of want to do 150s somewhere. We'll see what happens. Dude, today was wild. What up? What if? Oh, stretch. Is gold going up or down? Ooh, I might just take this gold trade off. What did I just make? I made $100 on it. I'm out of the gold trade. It appears it popped earlier a little bit more. I just know I got to be out of this by 4:30. So instead of being in the red, I just take a green trade. It's $100 and start my day over at 6 o'clock. But overall, man, like, here, I'm gonna cancel. Let me disconnect. Let me disconnect this. I'll just because it'll just have bull knocks. Here's my bull knocks funded accounts on the day. Up 515, 145. This one's getting close to a payout. I'm about $1,100 away from a payout. I'd love to get a payout. What's today anyways? Today's Wednesday? I could get a payout in that this week, actually. Those are good. These are good. I wish my degenerate ass didn't play CPI. Now that I know it. Dude, if I didn't play hold on. If CPI actually sold out my orders, I would have had an amazing day today. You know,
we're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
Can't take it anymore. Hacks, just start off with a small payout. Just get to the threshold, take $500 out, and then just keep building off of that. Question about Take Profit Trader. Once you're in pro account, the trailing DD is intraday. Yes, but it will stop. Once you get to 50,100, it doesn't go higher than that. So you just have to work it up, and then once you get over the buffer, the trailing drawdown will stop. So basically, yes, and during the test, it's end of day. Basically, as you grow this account, you want to take profits as you go up. And then once you're kind of at like 53,000, you can kind of let it move around a little bit because you're not going to hit a drawing trailing stop or anything because it stops at 50,100. You can let the trade move around a little bit. Yeah, Hacks, I would start off with just some small payouts. Just get $500, and then all the little base hits start to really add up. CPI pisses me off. Why'd they have to wick it up? Kevin, you were live. They didn't even film me. I would have made money. They didn't even film me. The bar went over my order and didn't film me. That's the craziest thing. I will 100% play tomorrow, and I'm just going to play a bunch of evals. I messaged them about it. They're not going to do anything about it. I blew 4 accounts because of them, because they didn't fill the order, and they're not going to do anything about it. They all don't do anything about it. They just say that we don't own the platform is what they say. Tomorrow, I'm going to copy trade again, and I am going to just do evals. I'll do like 4 evals, and that's it. 4 evals. Yeah, so you either have to be close enough that when it wicks, you get sold out like I should have, or you got to be far enough away so whatever way it actually chooses, you go in. I got accounts payable up the bungee. Mortgage needs to get paid. Yo, you're going to find yourself on Feet Finder soon, making feet pics. Oh, man. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to I'm going to go live again tomorrow. I'm going to copy trade 4 accounts. I won't do any, I'm not going to do any Take Profit Trader, I don't think, because all these are kind of being built up. Dude, if I was her, I would just do an OnlyFans, cash in like massively. She'd cash in millions. Dude, she would fucking crush it. Yeah, news PPI at 8:30 in the morning. If Hot Tua went live, she would make crazy money.
$700 billion and $1.3 trillion.
Bro, she would crush it. The money would just be like flowing in. Flowing in, flowing in. Oh, man. Biden into billions and billions? Dude, it would be. She would just make crazy money.
Billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and billions and
Oh my dude. Gold went. I can't believe that sucks for me. That was $100. So you gotta think I'd be up 300, 400 bucks. Crazy. Fucking crazy. You got 2 more minutes to enter for the duck race. I'm going to get a water, and we'll duck race. Water, and I'm gonna duck race. So you got. Yo, you leaving, Alfred? All right, I'll be back in 2 minutes, and we're duck racing. Did you do your homework? Oh, geez. All right. I'm going to set this shiznick up right now. Oh, I know we got a bunch of new people in here. So if you're new, we stream every day. Every single day, 10:30 to noon and 2 p.m. till about 4:30 or till the questions end. If you guys got questions, now is a great time to ask because I can show you without trades going on or anything like that. We give away accounts multiple times a week. I like to give back. And also, if you want to support the stream and you like this, use coupon code COVETRADER. That's what allows us to give away the accounts. It should automatically give you the best discount at all of the firms as well. Dude, we're going to let this rip. Boom. Oh, man. Let's let this go. Who do we got? Yo, Grandma Duck out there. If you win, you got your choice between a couple different accounts. Just send me a screenshot receipt, and I will send you the money via PayPal, Zelle, or Venmo. That's how it works. So if you win, you email me, and we'll go back and forth. Dude, I don't even see my duck in there. Your duck's dead? Where's my duck, dude? Quack, quack, baby. What accounts? You can choose between a 50K Take Profit Trader account or a 50K Apex account. That's how we're rolling. Dude, I don't even see my duck. I think my duck's third leg is just dragging, and he's just way back in the race. Who do we got? Dude, I don't see the Trump duck anymore. Did they take him out? Trump duck has never won once. First of all, I'm not even allowed to give you a pro account. It's always they're all evals. Like you're gonna buy it. No, you're not resetting a pro account. Sorry. Trump duck's at the White House. What up? You got 2 minutes to claim to say that you're here. 4:29, I rerun this thing. 4:29, I rerun it if you're not here. The Explorer. Oh, they're around like every day. I see them like all the time. Holy shit. I can't believe I didn't fucking hold gold. Are you kidding me? Look, you can see where I sold out for baby oil gains. Shoot me an email, Dora. I sold out for baby oil gains. Unbelievable. That would have literally been like $500-$600. Unreal. Yo, shoot me an email right now, Dora. I'm literally in my email box. Yo, I was in gold right here. You can see it. I had two minis in gold. And I sold, even though I liked it, I sold because we were getting towards the end of the day. Instead, it ripped. I think every dollar would have been $200 for every dollar. So that's 200, 400, 6 would have peaked at 600. I'd be up like $500. That's wild. Yo, I'm loving gold though. NQ's just sitting here. NQ's actually looking tasty. Let's see. Yo, later, Ray. Dora, if you can hear me, send me an email. Oh, man. I was just up $90. Oh, come on. Don't do that to me. Don't do me dirty. It was just up $90. I just went from being up 90 to down 50. I hate after hours trading. Come on, just pop it. One time, baby. Oh, it caught me. Oh, that was nice. 120 with one contract. And I think 85 with the other one. Right? 95 with one. Dude, that was 215 bucks right there. Boing. That's how it's done, people. That's how it's done. Basically just flagged right into the 34, broke over. Joe, I only got 6% on my phone. Oh, damn. Could have got I got enough, but if you're still in, you're up. I would freaking get out. Yo, later, bull breakers. Dude, where have you been? You missed out. Full port. You missed out today. You did not full port for the boys today. You watching Bluey? My kids watch Bluey every once in a while. Yo, like Bluey's a girl, right? They're both girls. Is that like the big thing that people didn't know about? Dude, I'm trying to think if I can make a back testing video tonight. What I wanted to back test something and I can't think of what it was. I was definitely going to back test something and I can't think what the hell it was. Yeah, I think that was the big thing. Bluey was a girl. There it is, Dora. I can't figure out what I was going to back test. This is killing me. I had a good back test for you guys, and I can't freaking find it. Yo, why are you going to get banned? Because you're full ported too many times? Is that why? Yo, you should tell them it's full port for the boys. I would watch out. I mean, I would be honest with you. I'd watch out because once you're banned, you can't get unbanned. So, like, honestly, I'd probably cool off with Topstep and go to another prop firm for a couple weeks and let it kind of like blow over if you think you're going to get banned. Because you don't want to get banned from them. So maybe just let it cool out for a little bit. Excessive full porting of combines. Oh, geez, poker. I'm with you today, though. I thought today was going to dump. I thought today was definitely going to dump. And we didn't get a dump at all. It just grinded up. Freaking crazy. That doesn't excite me. The fuck? Oh, geez. I would wait to see how it opens. I feel like PPI is going to shit itself personally. But, you know, we're up after hours. I mean, it's moving up. Dude, well, they had earnings after hours on some stocks, so that's what's pushing them up now. After hours shenanigans. On Motorwave, I heard Motorwave is freaking awful to use. I heard it's like real bad. I don't know if you've used it before, but that's the word on the street. Word on the street was it was pretty bad. Oh, have you never used it yet? Go open it. I heard it's like using a platform from like 2000. Oh, jeez. I can't believe we made back the whole loss from today. That's unbelievable with CPI being as hot as it is. The only thing I can think of is the Putin wanting to end the war. That's why we're up. Use Quant Tower. Quant Tower is pretty good. Super easy to use. Dude, did I just fucking read this right? I think I might need to try trading for real, like with a strategy. Dude, you got to have a strategy. What up, Alex? Yo, you need one of those stress things on your desk that you squeeze. Oh, shit. So I want to get this to get daily payouts. That's where I'm going with that. That's not going to be enough. Dude, get like a punching bag or something. I don't understand how we're up either, man. I thought I said on the stream earlier, I think we're going to go down to like 2%, almost 3% on that CPI number, and market didn't give a shit at all. Crazy. That might have been the craziest thing. Dude, I don't even use a desk. I'm actually using a kitchen table from Bob's. Yo, you definitely could do that on. So see this? Here you go. Look, see 9:30 a.m. a.m. 30 0 10:30. There, I just marked it up on my chart. That's what you want to do? I don't think this has VWAP on it. I don't think I have the license for VWAP with this. This license doesn't have it for whatever reason. But yeah, it has VWAP. That's accurate. It marked, I just showed you the opening range. What else did you want on it? Previous day high and low. I don't know how to do that on here. It might be somewhere else. Just how like you have all this other stuff right here down at the bottom. But super easy to use. Trump just said billions and billions. Bro, he's fucking amazing. Billions and billions. Bro, gold is just fucking getting jiggy with it. No. Getting jiggy with it. Oh man. All right, guys. I'm calling it. I'm gonna stream live on Discord tomorrow at 8:30 on Discord just for PPI. After PPI, I'll probably jump off at 8:45. We'll be streaming live here at 10:30 and again at 2 p.m. tomorrow. If you want to support the channel, use the best coupon code CoveTrader. Other than that, enjoy your night. Go eat something good. I'm probably going to try trading gold tonight at some point. Last night I called the short out in the Discord and we fucking banked. I don't know. I'm going to see what happens tonight. Oh, the old fast track. All right, I'm jumping off. Peace, guys.